afternoon. So today is September 29, 2018. It's a Saturday and we are on our way to Medellin. So this will be a short vacation because tomorrow we'll be attending a baptismal of the child of Chan's friend. So yeah, I'll be back later once we arrive at Medellin. We're here in Medellin and we're on our way to Medellin. So this is a stopover to buy some foods and some snacks. Okay. Hello, we have now arrived in our place to stay here in Medellin, which is Seahorse Stories Inn. Wow. The dagat is so nice. Oh my god, so nice. So yeah, we're here and parang kami lang yung guest dito. Oh my god. Wow, ito gini lagi. It's actually very nice. Look at the place. Those are the rooms. Okay. Oh, nasa kusina dito, baby. Wow, that's a really nice shoreline. Oh, kanindot sa shoreline. Bi, makaligo pa to, Bi.
Masulor na to.
Bro, makaligo pa kita ba?
Masulor na to.
Oh my god, dito? It's like a really nice area right here and I'm almost running out of memory. It's a small place but it's actually really nice. So this is our room. This is the room Revo. So let's... Okay. So it's a double bed. TV. Those are our stuff. Stand and our stuff, laptop and all. TV and here's cabinet. Yeah, cabinet. And reminders by the hotel.
Fishermen deal with waves. What happens when they go hit with form?
So this is to see our going up. Okay. So we are going to the beach. Ingit-ngit naman eh.
Finally, we catch in. But it's a little bit dark.
We're trying to catch up. And pataob ang dagat actually.
Pataob-taob.
See?
Tira itong hanggang to.
Aga na magod ko mag-atubang siya sa ato. Wala ligo.
Ay, lang yung area ba? Direra yung tulay ng paglit.
Hello, good evening. So it's now evening time and we're about to do lagi ni ka-rice.
Yes, it is.
So we're about to have our dinner. And let me show you our dinner. Hi. Someone's excited to eat. So we have grilled tuna belly, Shanghai, garlic, saan itawag ani?
Direct rice.
Chow fan rice?
Oh, Shanghai rice din.
Yang chow something niya. Tuna sa panga na tinola. Iba ko sinigang. Tinola lagi no.
Sinigang eh. Sinigang nga.
Okay, that's our food. So yeah, let's eat. Okay. Tequila.
One shot, 1 kill.
See, one shot, 1 kill.
And celery, lemon.
Lime. That's lime. That's not lemon. So we are
In our
having
room.
tequila shots in our room.
We cannot drink outside because it's our safety, you know.
Just for safety purposes.
Maybe I will be drunk outside, so it's difficult. So it's better here if I drunk and see go to the bed. Okay? Ciao. Cheers.
Okay. Anyway, so I will be ending this
Acha.
vlog. I will be ending this vlog because we will proceed watching the movie and drinking some tequila. Anyways, good night, and I will be talking to you tomorrow.
Bye. Good night.
Good morning, everyone. So today is Sunday, September 30, 2018, and we just woke up. It's around 6 a.m. here. We are just walking around the beach. It's quite nice. It's not that crowded. Yes, that's a really quite long expanse of beach. And the water is nice. Also, delicious. Oh, go. Pindot siya. Although it's not that clear and the sun is not that fine as compared to Santa Fe and Boracay. So our agenda for today is the main agenda for this trip, which is the baptism of the daughter of John's friend. So we will be checking out later around 8 a.m. So we're just trying to catch up with the water. done swimming. And we're going to the restaurant for an order of breakfast. I forgot if we have free breakfast in our booking, but we'll see. Oh, banlaw sa din. Oh, nakalimutan ko na sa kuryente. We're done swimming. Actually, there's no electricity at the moment, so I'm not sure why. Hi, Dugi! So, nami bantay. Nami bantay nga Dugi dogs. Hello! But there's no electricity. Hello! So, we're now done having our breakfast. So unfortunately, as I was scanning through the documents, I actually accidentally erased the video of us having breakfast with that. So I only have the photos which I'll be showing you. And yeah, so now we're back here in our room and we are preparing to leave because we have to catch the 9 a.m. seminar for the baptism. Already, I think, almost 9 a.m. or I think 8:30 and we're not yet even done. But anyway, we're just enjoying the moment. We're not really rushing. Anyways, the travel is just very near the church. So yeah. Anyways, if you want to know more about this resort, this is again Seahorse Tourist Inn and it's located in Barangay Kawit, Medellin. So this is a bit far off from the city proper, but travel is not that hard as long as you have your map with you and even your car. Travel here would take about from city proper around 15 minutes. During our trip yesterday, there were a few roads that were under repair, but it was not really guba gani kayo. So okay lang travel. And yeah, let me just show you our view from the room. As you can see right there, that's actually the sea already, so we have a sea view. But there's no other floor, it's only first floor. It's not really a big resort, but it's very quiet and it's very relaxing because there are not a lot of guests. That is where we had our breakfast, right there. Hello, so this is just an update. So now we're done with the baptism. We're here at the church. I was not able to vlog a while ago because we were a bit busy. But yeah, we're done here. And then afterwards, marito namin sa reception. This is just at the house of the celebrant. I'm just waiting for them to order. It's actually very, it's very hayag. It's very hayag in here. Indot kayo ang light source. But I think it's making me look too white. Looking at the screen, yes. So, by the way, what I'm wearing right now is actually Medellin Green Velvet Foundation, L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lipstick in Matador, Maybelline False Lash Mascara, False Lash Sensation Mascara, I'm not really sure, and my brows by J-Cat Brow List. Hello, so we're now done. Basically, we're done with our main agenda here in here in Medellin. So now we're heading back to the city. We're going back to reality. We're going back to traffic. And so far, we're having a smooth ride. And also, we have an added agenda for today. because I just found out that my best friend actually gave birth already, so we will directly go to Chongqing, to the hospital. We'll visit her and the baby.
This is beautiful.
It's beautiful.